देखिए आज जो टॉपिक हम लोग डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं दैट इज करियर प्लानिंग. इट इज ऑफ utmost importance for you all, right? What do you understand by career and what do you understand by plan? First we will go with plan. What is planning? Anyone?
Planning is for casting.
Planning is for casting. Forecasting. Planning is forecasting. And yes, from this side?
It is the fundamental part of management.
Fundamental part of management. Okay, if in simple terms अगर हम चाहते हैं कि प्लानिंग क्या है तो प्लानिंग इज थिंकिंग बिफोर डूइंग एनीथिंग. You have to think beforehand before you take up any work. How to do that work, when to do that work, where to do that work, and what you will achieve by doing that work. Right? So, basically there are two types of people in this world. One who plan and other who think that they will get everything by chance. Right? So what is the benefit of planning? Planning का benefit क्या है? Why we do planning? Planning हम क्यों करते हैं?
Because the future is highly uncertain.
The future is highly uncertain. We don't know what lies in the future. Actually. So क्यों? Then uncertain है तो क्या है?
Then we must plan for anything what we are going to do in the future.
Basically we are minimizing the risk. हम लोग प्लान करके रिस्क को मिनिमाइज करते हैं. जैसे आपको एग्जाम देना होता है, ठीक? तो आप बहुत पहले से उसको पढ़ते होते हैं, सब्जेक्ट को पढ़ते हैं. क्यों पढ़ते हैं?
ताकि burden कम हो.
ताकि एग्जाम में अच्छा नंबर आए. या ऐसा कहें कि खराब नंबर आना है, रात भर पढ़ेंगे तो कैसा नंबर आएगा? एक दिन पहले पढ़ेंगे तो
ज़्यादा अच्छा.
Average आएगा.
जो खराब नंबर आने का जो रिस्क है उसको हम लोग मिनिमाइज करते हैं पहले से पढ़ के.
Yes.
तो वी आर एक्चुअली मिनिमाइजिंग दैट रिस्क, राइट? सो एनीवन हु इज प्लानिंग beforehand, they are at a greater advantage, right? Now come to the topic. Career क्या है? What is career? What is career? What is career according to you? What is your career?
What is my career?
Hmm?
So my career is my life.
Okay.
What
From
do
this
you
side,
want to? What do you want to be in future?
what do you want to be in future? Basically, career is the job or series of jobs that you will do in
Future.
future professional life.
Ambition is our career.
जॉब एंड सीरीज ऑफ जॉब इसलिए बोले कि किसी एक कंपनी से तो नहीं अटके हुए रहिएगा. इफ यू गेट बेटर चांसेस यू विल मूव टू अनदर कंपनी, राइट? इसलिए इट इज जॉब और सीरीज ऑफ जॉब्स दैट यू विल डू इन योर फ्यूचर प्रोफेशनल लाइफ. दैट इज योर करियर. एंड प्लानिंग इज
Today's projection for tomorrow activities.
today's projection for tomorrow activities. In planning, we basically what we do?
Plan for it.
How to do what
We identify the activities and actions that will take you to your goal. जो आपके गोल तक आपको पहुंचा दे वो पाथ हम लोग डिफाइन करते हैं, वो एक्टिविटीज, वो एक्शन हम लोग डिफाइन करते हैं. दैट इज प्लानिंग. अब कैरियर प्लानिंग को मिला देते हैं तो व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड बाय कैरियर प्लानिंग?
planning for the career is known as career plan.
प्लानिंग फॉर
The career is known as career plan.
Planning for career is known as career. It is the simplest definition, right? You have to go in detail, a bit detail. What is career planning? What is the first step that we do in career planning? If I ask you,
Set our goals.
you set your goals. You set your goals, and then the second activity.
Work
A second part is
How to
work for
achieve?
them.
goal is already set. Now,
How to achieve?
okay, how to achieve? Basically, what he is trying to say कि you identify the activities and actions that will take you to this goal. So in totality, career planning is a process where you first of all you set your goals and then you identify all the activities that will take you towards your goal. That is career planning, right? Now come to career. What are the factors that influences your career? कौन सा ऐसा फैक्टर्स है जो आपके करियर को इन्फ्लुएंस करता है? कौन कौन सा फैक्टर? एजुकेशन, वेरी गुड.
Money.
एजुकेशन एंड
Money.
मनी. हाउ?
पैसा रहेगा तभी तो कुछ अच्छे से.
ओके ओके. एनी आंसर फ्रॉम दिस साइड?
Discipline.
Discipline is yes, we can say values. What our values are. We choose career according to our values also. And your interest. Where your interest lies. आपका किस फील्ड में इंटरेस्ट है उसी फील्ड में आप कैरियर बनाना चाहते हैं. ठीक. और skills if you have, yes, right, skills that you have, इन सब से मैच करता हुआ आपका कैरियर होना चाहिए, है ना. आपका स्किल है कंप्यूटर में और आप इंग्लिश के टीचर नहीं बन सकते ना. You have all the knowledge of computer, then better to become a teacher of computer, right? So these are some of the you can say factors that influence your career or that influence how you decide a career, how you choose a career, right?